What happened was probably Lieutenant Mosey in the unmarked pickup ran the tag, and what I'm finding out is it's not coming back in the system. I encourage more of you guys to do this. I'm just glad to see this lady's documenting also. It might save a person's life. I'm not just talking about the person that these public servants pull over, you know. Out here for everybody's safety. Something happens to the police, I'm more than willing to let them use my video. It's all public information. There's a traffic stop that has a temporary tag on it, and they cannot find that this white car with the temporary tag in the system. He was a sergeant, and after he violated my civil rights to where they didn't want us to go into the mass shooting that happened 2 years ago inside the Civic Center, he denied me and Press for Transparency our First Amendment rights to attend that public meeting on the mass shooting 2 years ago that happened on Dustin. And when they do that, they move him up. Now he's a lieutenant. It's crazy how they work the system, the legal system here with our public servants. Guys, I'm gonna tick it off. I don't want to get kids on my lights. There's got a little one in the back. I'm just being respectful, y'all. Traffic stop. Looks like, I think the unmarked unit, the gray pickup there, the Ford, which Lieutenant Mosey drives. I think he ran the temporary tag, and they cannot find this vehicle in the system. I don't know why. Give a peace sign. She was kind of upset earlier. I was filming. correct. Lizzie, thank you for the DJ Vinyl gift. Oh, it's not good. Hopefully they get a female to come and search her now. Female public servant. I don't know. Okay, all right. She was speeding. That's why the reason for the stop. They never get a female officer to search the females. Thank you for the gift. I'm sorry about that, guys, but she was speeding is what happened, and that's the reason for the stop. And I had temporary tags, and they couldn't find this car in the system. So. No español, indio en inglés. Sorry if I missed you guys some of your comments. I cannot see the screen all that well. Excuse me? I see you filming over there across.
Yeah, I just don't trust them.
Oh yeah. I was telling people we need to see more of that and encourage that. You know, the more the cameras on them, the more they behave.
Exactly.
Yeah. So.
And I've been taught to film someone who's filming too, so there's evidence if they try to harass me or whatever. So.
I really do appreciate it. You know that how safe that. You know that how it made me feel just watching you exercising your rights, doing the same thing.
Same thing. Yeah.
Yeah. I was encouraging people. I said, this is more of what we need. You know?
Exactly.
The more cameras on them, the more they behave.
Yep.
Then it shows if they're not going to behave, we have proof of it.
That's right.
Yeah. So you probably follow me.
Who are you? No.
Oh, Four Corner Fist in the Air.
Four Corners.
Fist in the Air.
Oh. No, but I will now.
Yeah. I'm on YouTube and TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's people that I was telling we don't hate the police,
right,
but we're against bad policing.
Absolutely.
We need police. Yeah, but it's our job to keep an eye on them because our tax money pays for these. These are our units.
Exactly.
These are our sidewalks and their salaries. We pay for all that. And Farmington's not really good at being transparent. You know, it's what I've been filming. You know what I've been documenting. But hopefully
really think they have the power.
Yeah, but the people are the ones that really have the power. Yeah. So that maybe seeing you filming over there made my day.
I think the people next to me were filming for a minute too. So yeah. Ash, are you a part of Indivisible?
I don't know who Indivisible is.
So we're a group, like primarily our first and foremost thing is to fight the abuses of this administration.
No, it's interesting though if you can give me some information about it.
Yeah, for sure. I'll look you up and I'll tag you with it.
Yeah.
Okay, Four Corners Fist in the Air.
Number 4, CORNER, then it's FIST, just the N without the I. FIST in the air.
Okay.
So there's no I on the end.
Okay.
And message. I should pop up on TikTok and YouTube.
Awesome.
I've been doing this here for 4 years now. 3 years on YouTube, and my first year here on TikTok.
Awesome.
Leave a